Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As we know that the rapid application development, the phenomena rapid application development emerge due to the software need by industry and humans. And the second factor is human curiosity. Computer dominate each and every sphere of our life. So there is an ingredient, an enormous amount of requirement for application development. For this purpose, for enormous amount or rapid application development, we need improved process models to speed up this process. So there are, I think, so two kind of process model under the umbrella of rapid application development, is already explained in those slides. One are iterative process models, and the other is a prototype process model. Iterative process model prototype, I already explained it in the previous video in the, I think so, in class. And today in another video, I already explained the spiral process model. Over here, there is another iterative process model. We call it as incremental process model. Increment is, we know, as I think so, a permanent increase, for instance, of some amount and wages or salary. For example, employees in any organization. Over here, the term increment means that a software with more feature, improved functionalities, and I think so operations. Okay, so the coming or the new version must have more features, more functionality, and more operation than the previous one. Okay, so this process model, the software is updated or evolved. So we also call this process model, the incremental process model, as a evolutionary process model. Over here, the pictures in Roger Pressman book, page 58 of 8th edition. This process is pictorially, I think so, explained. There is a communication phase, the famous activity in a generic process model: communication, planning, analysis, modeling, construction, and deployment. And after that, a software is released. But this process, is not stop over here. The release of software, it will be continued. There is again communication, there is again planning, there is again modeling, and another version of the same, with some, I think so, differences will be released. So in that sense, for example, if you I think so compare this incremental process model, the spiral model, then there is no big difference. Some, I think so, some software engineer researchers say that in spiral model, the basic, we can say, the basic, I think so, feature of functionality remain the same, but we add some other, I think so, application to that softwares. But in incremental process model, there is a new, I think so, total new version of previously built software with improved features that incorporate the market demand and user requirements.